gift for me from Paula. From Paula Turner. Something to eat. Something to play music with. Let's see what it says on the tin. Customs declaration. Ooh. Let's see. Da 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 dee ram bam 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 dee da la dee 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 ram bam ba da bam 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 la 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 ba ba da dee ram bam 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 bam. A perfectly on square spot on the wall. I think I better clean this place. Anyway. La 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 di da di la 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 la. It's here. Look, Franklin. Franklin, it's here for you. Aww. Na 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 na. Look, Franklin, you've got some lovely hair. Oh, my favorite color, baby blue. My favorite color. Another package. More baby blue. This is the best day of my life. And I've got hair for Franklin. And I've got a beautiful little birdie. And look at the beautiful wee flowers. Oh, dear Breach. Oh. I have loved making this mala for you. The Amazonite and Harlite. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll figure it out. I'll go down to my proverbial library and get a book out. Or preferably I'll ask the librarian, because I like talking to real people. They look so good together, and the contrast of the sandalwood, oh. That reminds me of my beautiful mother, Kathleen. She used to wear, this is her ring. She used to wear sandalwood. She still does. I can smell it today. The contrast of the sandalwood guru bead will help with your counting. Oh yeah, the mala while I'm counting my mantra. I've also enclosed one of my Schutzengel. Oh, Schutzengel in English is guardian angel. As I love to see these winging their way around the world. Oh, to protect special friends. I hope they don't take too long to get to you. They didn't take long at all. They came on the wings of a dove over the stream from the UK to Ireland, all the way to Galway, in the beautiful hands of my favourite postman, the dancing postman. Thank you, Paula. This is so delightful. So delightful. My Schutzengel. This is my Schutzengel. I love the packaging, Paula. Oh my God. Alone the packaging makes me, oh, is this like little elasticy? Maybe. I could make that a little bit larger and then I would have an extra present, which is a new bracelet. Where there's a will, there's a way. Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you, Lord. And look at the beautiful packaging paper. Oh my lordy lord. The beautiful little silver dots, they sparkle. Not sure if you'll get a blast of that sparkling, but there's little sparkles on it. And here's my Schutzengel. Oh my God, look at her. She is perfect. I love my Schutzengel. She's going to be with me night and day. Night and day. She's gonna come with me in the car, driving around. And she's gonna sit with me while I'm working on my pewter. I'm gonna have her sitting on my lappy tappy so that she's always with me. And we just need a tiny...
I actually had to cut.
Actually, we just need a tiny little bit of DIY here to put her beautiful little wings back on. We'll just improvise right now. We'll just improvise. There you go. There you go, darling. There's my little Schutzengel, my little guardian angel. And this is the one we've been waiting for. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, the energy, lovely. I've got a beautiful feeling of beautiful energy here in this part of my body. I'm just going to honor her. I don't know, I just called it a mala. I'm just going to honor my mala from Paula Turner in the UK with one of my favorite mantras. You sit over here for a minute, little love, will you? What am I looking for? Okay, this is it, guys. Thank you, Paula. It's so amazing.
Meditation sucks.
What? That's an advertisement, guys. We don't do any of those. 3, 2, 1, skip the ads. Yep.
Chatur Chakravarti, Chatur Chakra Bhugate, Swayambhav Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate, Tukalam Pranasi, Dayalam Sarupe, Sadayang Sange, Abhangam Vibhute. Chatur Chakravarti, Chatur Chakra Bhugate, Swayambhav Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate, Tukalam Pranasi, Dayalam Sarupe, Sadayang Sange, Abhangam Vibhute. Chatur Chakravarti, Chatur Chakra Bhugate, Swayambhav Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate, Tukalam Pranasi, Dayalam Sarupe, Sadayang Sange, Abhangam Vibhute. Chatur Chakravarti, Chatur Chakra Bhugate, Swayambhav Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate, Tukalam Pranasi, Dayalam Sarupe, Sadayang Sange, Abhangam Vibhute. Chatur Chakravarti, Chatur Chakra Bhugate, Swayambhav Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate, Tukalam Pranasi, Dayalam Sarupe, Sadayang Sange, Abhangam Vibhute. Chatur Chakravarti, Chatur Chakra Bhugate, Swayambhav Sabang Sarabda.
Thank you, 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 Paula Turner, for making me this amazing mala. And if anybody who's watching would like to order one, I will send you the link. And thank you, Maximize the Light in Your Cosmic Suit, for introducing me to Paula Turner. And if you want to contact Maximize the Light in Your Cosmic Suit, then just go down to your local library, get out an encyclopedia and do some research. Maximize the light in your cosmic suit. Or better still, just talk to the librarian and she or he will tell you all about it. And I'm off now to do my first ever 108 repetition mantra using an actual mala, because I was trying to do it with my 10 fingers and it does kind of wreck your head. I mean, it did work. But this is much more beautiful, and much more meaningful. And look at the colours, and I'm going to ask the librarian about, look at the beautiful, this is the one, that beautiful wee black one. I'll know the name of it the next time. And these must be the Amazonite. Okay, Slangafall is in Ursula. And if you do like traditional music from all over the world, beautiful music and vocal harmonies from women and men all around the world, and if you surprises thrown in there. As in, I'll play anything I want to play. Do listen to Flirt FM, Galway's only alternative radio station, on a Friday night, 8 p.m. real time, which is Irish Standard Time. The name of the show is Rhea Bríde, Bríde's Choice. And if you can't be listening to it as it is broadcast live, you can hear it on the internet in the archive. If you just go down to the local library and get out the encyclopedia which says Bríde's Choice Galway Radio, you'll find it. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Thank you, Paula. And this, which anybody who likes to meditate and say beautiful mantras, if I were you, I'd get one of these, but I'm not you, I'm me. I did get one of these. Woo! Slang fun! And Franklin wants to say goodbye as well. Where's your wee hand, Franklin? Is this the one that we can see in the video? Aye. This is Franklin and Bríde and my guardian angel. And my new Mala, saying goodbye from Galway. Slán!